If you want to adjust your privacy and security settings in Microsoft Edge, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps. These settings can help you control tracking, improve browsing protection, and make your experience a lot more secure while you surf the web. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos just like this. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three-dot menu. This is the main menu where you can access all of Edge's settings and controls. From the drop-down list, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand menu and select Privacy, Search, and Services. This is the section where Microsoft Edge keeps most of its privacy tools, security features, and browsing protection options. Now, in this area, you'll see a variety of settings that can help you control how much data is collected and how safe your browsing experience is. One of the first things you can adjust is tracking prevention. If you want a balanced option that blocks some trackers while still keeping websites working properly, choose Balanced. If you want stronger protection, choose Strict, which blocks even more tracking attempts. Balanced is usually a good starting point for most users, while Strict is better if you want maximum privacy. Next, scroll through the same Privacy, Search, and Services page until you find the security-related option called Enhance Your Security on the Web. Turn this on if you want Edge to add extra protection while you browse. This feature helps strengthen your security against risky websites and other online threats, giving you an extra layer of defense. You can also take a moment to review the other options on this page, such as browsing data controls and additional privacy settings, so you can customize Edge to fit the way you use the internet. The goal is to find the right balance between privacy, protection, and convenience. After you've made your changes, you can simply close the Settings tab. Your preferences will be saved automatically, and Microsoft Edge will begin using your updated privacy and security settings right away. And that's it. You've now adjusted the privacy and security settings in Edge in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.